If you become a biomedical engineer, you can choose to focus on one of many different areas. This video will briefly trace ongoing opportunities open for your selection. In biomechanics, scientists are interested in how muscle, bones, and tissues relate to the job they do. If you choose this field, you might investigate what limits speed or what motion takes less energy. Joint force measurement, computer modeling of motion, and muscle segmentation for quantitative measurements are just a few of the research topics. Scientists that are studying and creating biomaterials work with substances that will interact with living systems, either to diagnose problems or help healing. Bionic body parts, surgical plates and screws that won't need to be removed, biofilms, and tissue engineering, which means growing tissues to replace or patch inside a body, are all part of the biomaterials research. Biotechnology involves using living cells to make useful products. In this field, biomechanical engineers use genetic engineering to make hybrid plants, which might resist mold or grow quicker, medicines, and better or more nutritious foods. Drug delivery methods are changing rapidly, and today we enjoy many newer and less painful processes thanks to biomedical engineers. One of the cutting-edge drug deliveries being researched is gene therapy, changing the genomes of cells to battle pathologies in a person's own body. Nanobots are used to carry medicines to specifically diseased cells. MedTats release medicine on a time schedule through the skin. And microneedles make punctures much less painful. Biomolecular machines are created by biomedical engineers by using molecule-sized nanomachines that copy the functions and interactions occurring within cells. Biomedical imaging is of interest to biomedical engineers who wish to see inside a body without intrusive surgeries. Sound waves, lasers, light, and radiation have all been used, and sometimes in combination with each other. Many new imaging techniques are being created and give more information when they're analyzed by the engineers quantitatively for any patterns or relationships to help understand the functions more thoroughly. People emit low-frequency electrical signals from their brains and muscles. Biomedical engineers are working to develop hardware, software to read and process and display all these signals in something called bioelectrical signal processing. Did you know that biomedical engineers are working on sensors in food packaging to detect spoilage or contamination? Biosensors being created and researched can analyze hormone levels, glucose levels, heart rate, and many other health levels using proteins and enzymes as receptors. Proteins are the workhorses within the cells. These series of connected amino acids carry out all the essential functions of life, such as using chemical reactions to create energy. Biomedical engineers have translated the norms of the protein structures into two computer programs, the Rosetta program or a designer program. With these programs, new proteins with new jobs can be created and tested. These new proteins will help solve medical, energy, and technological challenges facing us in the 21st century. Nanomedicine involves using nanoparticles for any medical application. You've already heard about nanobots for drug delivery and biomolecular machines. Did you know nanocrystals make it possible for cell processes to be studied at the molecular level? Mesh implants, breathable casts, or internal wraps for broken bones will make uncasts necessary thanks to the research and inventions of biomedical engineers. This graphic displays the many types of places that a biomedical engineer might work and the different classifications in those companies that he might or she might be in as well.